Hello, everyone. In this training session, we'll cover the currency setup in Onfinity ERP. The agenda is to understand how to configure currency in the system. The objective is to help you grasp the currency setup process and its associated terms within the context of business processes. The prerequisites are to ensure a configured tenant is available in your environment and that organizations are already set up within that tenant. A currency in Onfinity ERP refers to a defined monetary unit used to record, process, convert, and report financial transactions. It represents the official money of a country or region and is vital for managing all financial data and documents within the ERP system. Examples include INR for Indian rupees, USD for US dollar, and euro. Let's now switch to the system to see how currencies can be updated. First, log in. Remove any filters and use the search utility to find the currency window. Alternatively, navigate to the Company and Global Settings menu. Under Global Settings, open the Currency section. Here, you will find that 174 currencies are already preloaded in the system. These are system-generated and not meant to be created manually. Do not create any new currencies manually in this window. The reason is that many background logics are tied to these records, and manual creation can disrupt the system's business logic. The correct process is to mark the currencies you want to use as My Currency. Without marking, those currencies won't be selectable in master settings or transactions. By default, 4 currencies, Euro, GBP, INR, and KWD, are marked as My Currency. To view these, apply a filter on the My Currency column. If you want to use additional currencies like USD, you need to mark them accordingly. Now, open Accounting Book. Notice that only currencies marked as My Currency appear in the Currency field, even though the system holds 174 currencies. Since the currency window is not editable in a standard user role, changes must be made using the system tenant login credentials. Log out. And log back in with the system tenant user. Navigate again to Global Settings, open the currency window, and search for the currency to update. For example, to mark USD as My Currency, select USD and update the status. Similarly, mark AED if needed. Save the changes. Now, log back into your Sonic tenant and verify the updates. Open the Global Settings and check the Currency section. Also, perform a quick validation by viewing the accounting book. You should now see the newly marked currencies like USD and AED available for use. That concludes our session on currency setup in Onfinity ERP. Thank you for attending.